Hi, today I would like to talk about my Focusrite interface. Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, which stands for 2 inputs and 2 outputs. As a hardware, it's really robust. It has aluminium housing. The control knobs and potentiometers are not the greatest quality, but those are okay. So what you can find in the front panel, 2 connections, the channel 1 and channel 2, where you can put your microphone or your instrument. You have a dedicated preamp volume or gain. You can select the line or instrument. You have a phantom power. If you switch it on, you will get the 50 volt in both channels. You have a direct monitor system here, meaning that if it's on, you will get the signal from the input directly to your headphone. You have a monitor volume and you have a headphone volume. The headphone amplifier is quite powerful, I would say. I have a 250 ohm impedance headphone and it can drive quite well. On the back panel you will find the 2 outputs, the right and the left channel. You have the USB 2.0 connection, and that's all. What I don't like is the volume pot meter. It's quite cheap feeling, and also I had a problem. Then it started to be noisy when you're changing the volume, and later on it became serious because the left and the right channel was not parallel. So when you turned up the volume, for example, the one channel was getting a higher output level than the other. I have a new one. Now it works. I'm missing a feature from this one is a blending option. The blending option where you can blend between the input signal and your playback signal. This is important when you are tracking, for example, vocal, and the vocalist wants to have more of him or her and less of the backing track. So of course you can make it with your DAW, but it's a way better when you have a dedicated hardware knob. Unfortunately this is missing. Problem with the preamp is the gain control. When you drive it too hot, you will increase the noise in the channel. So don't use it at the maximum or close to the maximum. Also, the other problem, it also has some strange side effect when it's in a minimal position. To solve this issue, it's simple. So turn down your guitar or turn up your guitar if it's possible. This is a really nice product and I like it, and I do all of my music work with this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.